Meaning of divination.
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 Divination. Divination is the practice of seeking knowledge of the future or the unknown through supernatural means. The result of divination can vary widely depending on the method used. Some popular forms include tarot card reading, astrology, and scrying. When performed successfully, divination can lead to insights and guidance on decision-making, as well as a deeper understanding of oneself and the world around us. However, it is important to approach divination with a critical and discerning mind, as its accuracy and effectiveness are often debated.